So guys, make sure to stay until the end, because if you make one common mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on parts diagnostics that you may need. Make sure to stay until the end, we will explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today guys will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger guys. If you need to find where the air conditioner clutch fuse is located, where you can find it, where you can guys buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays, all that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix transmissions, engines, bodywork, electrical components, fuses, relays. Why we do all that guys? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. We have guys more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can practically guys save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you need to buy parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. So guys, the air conditioner clutch fuses, where you can expect to find them, we will guys demonstrate on this Dodge Challenger that we have guys. Now, we're going to show on the computer because it will be easier that way. What you guys need to do now, if you own a Dodge Challenger that generation, we'll recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location, because there are multiple fuse boxes and most people do not know about them. But guys, what do we need to do first? Here, okay, in order to find, okay, where the fuses guys for the air conditioner clutch are located, we need to open the trunk of the Dodge Challenger. And here on the passenger side, on the very back, lift the cover. You're going to find your spare tire, car battery, and right here guys on the very back you have a fuse box. Okay, that fuse box looks like this one. That's a battery, that's a fuse box here. Press this tab, open it, and you have that layout here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So guys, let's explain which fuses we need to check. By the way, if your air conditioner doesn't work, AC doesn't work, AC blows hot air, we have videos on the channel that will explain how to fix that, what causes it, check it out. If you can use a regular R134A Freon instead of the expensive Freon that's R1234YF, all that stuff will be on the channel. But here guys, what we need to do, please make sure to stay until the end. We want to share one good advice with you, that way you do not end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. If we zoom in a little bit, fuse number 15 will be the first fuse that you need to check right here. Then we need to guys check fuse number 32. So 32 guys, okay, will be a little bit, okay, so if you come in that row of fuses right here guys, okay, we're talking about that fuse row right here. 32 guys, okay, will be a little bit not visible, but it's that second fuse, not this one but the one right next to it, that 15 amp fuse that you see right here. Also you need to check fuse number 53. Now that gets interesting. You see those two relays, that middle part right here guys, okay, that's fuse number 51, 52, 53. That fuse right here, 10 amp fuse, will need to be checked. Now then you need to open the hood on your Dodge Challenger. When you open the hood, here on the passenger side you have the fuse box on the left side of the engine, and if you open the cover it looks like this one here guys. Okay, what do we need to check here specifically? Two more fuses guys. We're talking about fuse number 12 now. So if you come in that row, that's fuse number 9, 10, 11, 12. So if we zoom in, there will be that fuse right here. That's the one that you need to check. Also, you guys need to check fuse number 39. So in that row of fuses, 39 will be that fuse right here. All these fuses will need to be checked for the air conditioner. So guys, this Dodge Challenger has all kinds of different fuses and relays. Those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. We'll guys put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some spare ones put in the glove box, because one time we needed a spare, we couldn't find one, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.